Just gonna start varnishing our tupper floor with this clear varnish. It's probably gonna take a couple of coats, maybe 3 coats, if not 4. A lot of varnish. And so we just start one end, one corner, and away we go. It doesn't need much, just a very light coat. comfy. Moving in day. Well, it's 2 weeks into March now, and we've been in the house just over a week. And it's been an eventful couple of weeks. Yeah, March has been interesting. We've had beautiful spring weather, which was lovely, followed by a deep freeze with loads of snow and made treacherous conditions, which made driving and walking terrible. I managed to get my tractor in a ditch again, and we've moved in. So yeah, it's been a couple of weeks of ups and downs, but it's a big relief to actually be inside the house now. In this video you'll see us sort of moving in and doing a few finishing touches to the bedroom. We've still got work to do, of course, but nevertheless we're actually sleeping in the house now, cooking in the house and doing everything else in the house. So yeah, caravan has now been switched off, heating turned off, lights turned off and everything moved out.
So it's a big event, really big event. So we're very excited, very tired, and just looking forward to trying to get as much done in the tupper now. What do I mean by that? Painting the ceiling, and just finishing off painting the window frames as a second coat. Then that's pretty much done for now. We've got clear floor space, apart from a bit of card everywhere protecting the floor from the ceiling. And yeah, then that space is done as far as we're concerned for the time being. Then we can start moving things in. I'm building a day bed / guest bed at the moment. See how that goes over the next couple of weeks once I work out how to do it. We've finished the toilet downstairs, which is great, and the bathroom is finished, albeit just a last little bit of skirting that needs to go on the top and to box in the fuse box. But we're waiting until the electrician comes back to finish his job, because yeah, we're just doing a few other bits and pieces first. As I mentioned in the last video, the kitchen is still a bit of a holding point. Yeah, we need to save up some money before we move forward with that. So we set up a temporary kitchen, which is actually serving us very well. You know, we've got everything we could do in the caravan. We've got electricity, we can cook, we've got fire, we've got light, heat and water. So while it's not a modern brand new kitchen or fitted kitchen, it is serving us well until we save up some money and move forward with the kitchen that we've already chosen and had designed. It's just a money thing now. Yeah, we've come to the end of our budget and then some. So we're pausing now, doing everything that we can finish off ourselves, and just living in the house and enjoying it, and then waiting for the winter to end and the snow to thaw. Then we can get back outside and start working the land as we kind of want to this year. And we've already earmarked a few plans and things we want to do, like make a few paths through our forest and clear a bit of access to our lakefront. But like I say, we can't do that until we lose some of this white stuff. But yeah, it's great to be in. It feels weird on one hand, after 8, 9, 10 months of working hard, pulling apart and putting back together again. But while we've only been in here a week, it feels like we've been in here longer, which is, I think, a good thing. We've acclimatised quite quickly, and thankful that we're out the caravan. You know, we're very thankful for the caravan, but it's so nice having space. So nice having space. So yeah, we're really appreciating that. But we've got to learn to live in this big space again. And the other issue that I guess we've got is because we gutted everything, we don't have any storage yet. So once we've tidied up and finished off, I guess, the building and the decoration, finishing touches, we need to think about building some storage, because at the moment we've got our clothes in our bedroom on a temporary rack, we've got things stuffed under tables and various bits and pieces, so we need to make some proper storage to house all of our stuff that's still boxed up in the loft, and also stuff that we brought in from the caravan. So that's one of our challenges too, is to start building some storage. But anyway, that's for the future. Hope you enjoy. Winter is up and down at the moment. We thought it was going, but then it's come back. So be nice to see a bit more sun and a bit more heat now. So yeah, stay tuned and hope you enjoy. Thank you.
No, don't go in.